Hello everybody, this is Ed, and today we're checking out some lens protectors for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This one's from Ultra Glass. Seller sent me this to check out, and I've been using these on the last few phones that I've had, and these work great, especially for this new S26. And as you can see, the set of lenses is raised a good bit, so you're gonna need that protection around your lenses, and this is the perfect product for that. Some of the specs on this product: 9H plus tempered glass, tested for 12-foot drops, 220-pound impacts, and 25,000 plus scratches. 1-to-1 3D wrap fit ensures full coverage and compatibility with all phone cases. It includes an alignment tool for a 5-second bubble-free application. All right, so you have the user manual right here, and you also have a scan so you can watch a video on how to apply this product. Everything's in this envelope. Here is the applicator. Here is your application tools. Very simple application. So you take the wet wipe and you wipe down your lenses. Then you come back with your dry wipe, dust absorber. Now you peel the plastic film. You align the frame with the lenses and press to fit. Then you wait 3 to 5 seconds and then you remove the frame. All right, and there it is. What's cool about these, it doesn't even look like there's anything on here. I got a case. Let's go ahead and apply the case, see if that gets in the way. Clean look here, and your lenses are protected. See if they'll scratch on you. So I am applying pressure. Really, really cool. Let's go ahead and do the so there it is. Easy application. So if you're looking for lens protectors, check this one out.